this is Duke15, and today I'm adopting Nip, and well, my black and white cat. And also, I got a kinz clip too. And so, let's begin.
Congratulations, the adoption is complete. Thank you for adopting another webkinz.
Name's Nip, birthday January 18th, type of pet, black and white cat, she's a girl. And that may kind of sound very weird for you. You may think Nip would be a boy's name, but I thought she had to be a girl because she has to be a mother to Tiger and Louie. So that's how that all works. What? Yeah, Tigger. It's a little kid's one. Okay. Hi, I'm Nip. I'm so excited. I'm your pet. I like being a joker, kind, and a cool dancer. I love finding things. One of my best friends is a sea otter. Want to know a secret? I love cookies, and I've always wanted a game of checkers. Wow! Well, let's move on to her room. Well, we're back, and now we're in her room, and I know you're probably saying, well, wow, that's boring. Well, it's because I exactly just bought a room in the wrong area I wanted her to be. There's a software glitch. So, well, anyways, let's open Nip's gift box. Congratulations! And a super exclusive gift box! Oh! A yarn ball sofa and a webkinz day countdown calendar! Oh, me goodness! Oh, I did not expect Nip to be a super exclusive gift box one. Oh my goodness. Well, I think I'm gonna see if I can find an exclusive I may want. Now, I'm not gonna get any super exclusives right now. I'm gonna wait till something else newer comes in town, because also I heard you can trade like super exclusive and bonus gift box, so I want to try that out too. And right now, I just don't know what super exclusive would go with. What the heck? I think I'll open it and then really get something. Let's see. Should I get another treehouse hut bed? Bed of roses. Hey, just give me a bed. Yeah, since Nip. Okay, Nip, what do you like? Woo. Are you sure? Woo. Are you sure? You want that? Yeah. Okay. I didn't know she was this is my 30th webkin. And well, let's see. Furniture. There, voila. Ah, shoot. Gotta get rid of this bed. No! I'm just all discombobulated today. Remove. No, I want that to stay there. Well, let's move on to the kinz clip before this adoption video gets any more boring. And I almost forgot to place her webkinz day countdown calendar and other stuff. So now you know what the room looks completely. Now we may move on to the kinz clip. Hello, camera. Move on to the kinz clip. Well, here we are, unlocking my kinz clip, and don't worry, the code's no danger, because once it's used, cannot be used again. Unlock. Congratulations, you have unlocked access to somewhere and received 500 kinz cash, and increased your daily chances of finding a rare Zum, each adding feature code. Wow! Well, visit the magical forest, because that's where somewhere is. I'm so excited! I'm the first kinz clip and Duke Cool 15's webkinz family! Hey, are you looking at me? We're looking at you. I'm tired. Wow. Well, this is all new to me, so I'm gonna figure it out, and you can come back in 3, 2, 1. Now! Well, I kind of found out what somewhere is about with the kinz clips. The kinz clips only unlock the Zum sighting. I don't get it. It's locked up again. I guess every kinz clip only offers one try. Can't access the Z shop or any of that, so. Set pictures for Zums, for Zummies, and prizes play once every day, so I can play again tomorrow. And it's kind of confusing, so I think I will get a Zum buddy in the future, so look out. And that ends the adoption of Nip into my black and white cat, and entering the code of my, well, kinz clip and the black and white cat. Bye! And thank you for watching.